Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about arrays in C++. Okay, so let's get started. So you guys probably already saw a video that I did on chars. So basically you can use an array to store a string using the char data type and using an array to do so. But in this video we're going to talk about arrays. So let's start by creating a simple array. Okay. To do that, we need to define the data type. In this case, I'm gonna use the data type int or integer. We need a name, for instance, numbers. Okay. We're gonna assign actually we need to add two square brackets. Okay, and we need to assign some value. So here, pay attention that I didn't specify any number here, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly why. So what you're gonna do is to add some numbers here. For instance, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Let's end with a semicolon. Okay, and let's use the cout function to print numbers. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna execute, and we should see an odd output, something like a address memory address. So you guys can see we got this memory address. Okay, this doesn't mean anything, but now we can access numbers. So this array, which means that we have multiple items inside of a single object. Okay, so this can be used to scale a program to do more stuff. Okay, so this is a very good way to scale a program using arrays. You can write a loop to do something to every item of an array. Okay, so let's just print the first element. To do so, we need to call the array here and an index between square brackets. So instance, I'm gonna pass 0. So this means that I'm gonna show the first element of numbers. Let's compile and execute. So this should show me 1, as you guys can hear. I'm gonna try to change the font just a little bit so we can see more clearly. Let me compile again so you guys can see here clearly 1. Okay, let's say I want to print the second element. I'm gonna pass 1 here, and I should see 3 as an output, so you guys can see the number 3. So there's more details to it I'm gonna discuss later. There's some conveniences that you guys should be aware of. So this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.